ABC Limited is a developers engaging in the business of developing a special economic zone, notified as for 1st April 2006 under the SEZ Act. It is established that previously 2728, it is exercise an option of claiming deduction under 80IB from the assessment year 2021. It received the following income during the 2024. Okay, this is the climbing reduction 80IAB, and this is the thing. Income from maintenance of ACZ 50 lakhs. Income from lease rent from letting out the building along with the amendments SEZ 14 lakh 25,000. Interest received bank 9 lakh 50,000 from refundable secure deposit received from assessing. Calculate the amount of deduction available for ABC under ABC Limited under assessment year 24-25. If the April 24 it is transferred as operation and maintenance of ACZ to another company, DEF Limited. Now DEF Limited wanted to claim the deduction under 80 IAB in respect of the income received from the maintenance of ACZ as was available to ABC Limited. Comment whether the contention of DEF Limited is valid or not. So the two questions. First, what is a deduction under 80 IAB? Second, if it been transferred, whether the transferee company also eligible to claim this deduction. This is the two questions you want to answer. First, as per 80 IAB, deduction is available to assessee being a developer since the gross total income include any profit, any gain derived from undertaking or under enterprises from a business of developing SEZ. So what are the things they can do? Quantum of reduction. Subsection 1 provide 100% deduction on profit and gain derived from undertaking of enterprises from a business of developing SEZ for 10 consecutive years. Up to 10 years, 100% deduction is there for developing SEZ zone or undertaking. The consequent assessment is beginning from the 10 years in which SEZ has been notified by the central government. Hence, the amount reduction ATB. Income from maintenance 50 lakhs, 100% reduction. Income from lease, rent, or letting out the building along with the amount received for 14 lakh 20,000, 100%. As per the CBIT circular 1627 dated 25/4/27, it is available. Interest received from bank deposit nil. No, it is not available. Total amount 64 lakh 55,000 available. First is clarified. So rather than interest amount, everything 100% allowable under 80 IAB. Reduction in transfer in the case of transfer operation maintenance SEZ. In the case undertaking, being a developer who develops a SEZ transfer the operation and maintenance of SEZ to another developer. One developer transfer to another developer. Reduction under a subsection 1 shall be allowed to such a transfer is developer for the remaining period of 10 years, not full 10 years. If they use 2 years after 10 years, now another 8 years they can use. 10 consequent assessment year as if the operations and maintenance were not so transferred by the transfer developer. So as the same developer company, transferee company also can utilize this benefit. Applicable to the provision, DEF Limited can claim reduction up to 80 IAB with respect of income derived from the maintenance of ACZ as available to ABC Limited. Therefore, contention of DEF Limited is valid as per the law. They can claim reduction.